Hello, forever friends. I'm standing next here to our forever friend, our eagle, and just wanted to remind you how important our logo, our eagle, is. You know, you wear it on your pin. I hope you're wearing your pin all the time and you're proud of the level and the achievement that you've done in your business. And this eagle that's on that pin is a very important thing to forever and to you. And we just wanted to remind you of what that eagle signifies and what it should mean to you. Number one, the eagle is a magnificent bird and it has incredible vision. In fact, it has the best vision out of any bird, maybe any animal on this planet. And so it has incredible vision. It can see the farthest. And that signifies to us that we need to have that kind of same vision for our business and our future and where we want to go, what we want to achieve. We need to be laser perfect in what we want to achieve and know exactly what that vision is, because that will drive us every day and motivate us to achieve exactly what we want to. So make sure you have an eagle vision for your business. Number two is the eagle is incredibly courageous. It's amazing what the eagle will do. He will fly from a very high altitude and he can get up to 150 miles per hour in his dive towards his prey. That takes a lot of courage for a small bird or a big bird, but for something to do that, 150 miles per hour. That's the kind of courage we need to have in our business. We all know it takes a lot of courage to get up in front of people, to go talk to strangers, to do the many things that we do on a daily basis that will help us be successful. So make sure you have the kind of courage that the eagle does when you work every day in your business. You know, the eagle has incredible endurance, which is the third thing we need as a forever business owner. The eagle can fly the farthest, it can fly the highest, it has amazing endurance, which is exactly what we need as a successful business owner. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, it takes patience. We have many challenges we have to go through before we start seeing success in our business. So make sure you have the kind of endurance you need to be successful, just like the eagle does. And lastly, the eagle is an incredible nurturer. It nurtures its young like no other animal. It stays with its babies until it's time to boot them out of the nest and let them fly on their own. So we also, as successful forever business owners, we need to learn to nurture our young, nurture our new FBOs, build the relationship that we need in order to teach them the correct principles of what they need to do to become successful FBOs. And when we do that, then there'll be a time where you kick them out of the nest and let them fly and let them be independent and let them follow the teachings that you have taught them. But you have to spend that time nurturing them and make sure they understand exactly what they need to do. If we can follow the example of the eagle and have vision and have courage and have the endurance that we need and nurture our FBOs, we too will be successful just as this magnificent bird is in this world. Let's follow the example of eagle. Let's be proud and wear our pins and tell everybody what the eagle means to each one of us. And that will help you become successful in forever.